Amos.
Hi guys, this is Nalenya TV. I'm in the up country where I was born, and I want to show you some varieties. This is where I was born. I was born in Kitale town, and I'm lucky today I have visited my brothers, and I thank God. Let us go and check what we have in our land, and you can see what we have over here. This is the tea farm. This tea farm, we take it to the factory. And we have the tea farm over here. So if we want to take to the factory, guys, we have to make this tea. See the way I'm doing? 2 leaves with the, you have to make sure you have 2 leaves there. So we take it to the factory. And this is the cash crop over here in Kenya. That's why I'm telling you guys. This is another plantation. This is a tea farm, and we take it to the factory. This is a cash crop here in Kenya. So most of the time we want to take this tea to the factory, you have to come and make sure you do the
Pluck.
Yeah, this is a tea farm. All over here, this is a tea farm, and also you can look at me. You can check where I am. Follow me, guys. You can come here so that you hide yourself over here. Oh. This is a tea farm. And also when you have to check here, this is a banana plantation. This is a banana plantation. And you can check over here. What do you call this in English? This one is for the cows. This is for the cows. So most of the time, the way I am with my slasher here, this is what we do over here. It's very tricky. You have to be careful with your hands. You have to be careful. You have to put a lot of muscles on your slasher. This is where I was born when I was a little kid, and now this is the place for my brother. This is what we do over here. So, when we do that, this is for the cows. This is for the cows. This is for the cows, guys. Let us go and see how we do things over here. So if it's good when I carry it. We have to pass over oh, this is the tea plantation. Tea plantation is the first for in Kenya. So this is a tree. This is a tree. This tree is good for the firewood. You can make a good firewood with it. And we have this for the charcoal. over here, there is this tree over there too. This is for the charcoal. You can burn it and come out with a very nice charcoal. And we have a bunch of here, the trees for the charcoals. Very, very beautiful for making the charcoals. And this is a tea plantation. The way I told you guys, you have to wake up early in the morning before the sun becomes too hard, so that you take these tea leaves and you take it to the factory. Yeah. This over here is good. You can make this one the timber, what do you call? I think it's the timber, that's the correct name. This is so nice for the timbers. And it's nice also, you can make it like a firewood. Yeah. Here, the tractors, we use it for carrying the bricks or some firewood, all those things over here. And this one, we use it for the transporting things over here in the village. And sometimes we use it for planting or digging, all those kinds of stuff. And this is the work for the farmer, for a farmer. Yeah, the way I told you I have visited that country. My brothers over here, I like the way they're doing. They're doing good. All those things, those are good for the timber and for the timber, firewood. All those are good for that. Those are the beautiful dogs. These are the beautiful dogs. Sometimes they are good for laying the eggs and making the environment to be beautiful. I like, but they can bite you. They can bite you. Oh my God. Those are the sheep. You can check the sheep over there. Very nice. I have not brought for them food, but I'm going for it. These are the nice sheep. Yeah, very nice. Over here, the sheep will use it for meat, not for milk. So, for Christmas like this, we can take one to celebrate Christmas with it. It's nice. And you can see those are the dogs. And we have some small chickens over here too. Small chickens. My brother have made a very nice thing over here. This one's for the chicken. Guys, I want to show you the fruits over here. And we have a very nice garden here. And I don't know the names of the fruits. I don't know the names of the fruits, but you are the one to help me to know the names of the fruits. So I'll be going and make sure I show you the have a very nice garden here. Like here now, you have to get it out. Very nice. We use this, it's called Kales, if I'm not wrong in English. So we use this one to eat, to cook and eat ugali. Yeah, it's good green tea over here, and I like it. We have to go for another fruit. Which one? Let me start with this. There is this plant, very nice fruit. I like the way it is. Oh my God. My camera, I hope it will reach here so that you see all this. This is a very nice plant, very nice fruit. I don't know what we call it in English, but you will help me. Very nice, very nice. This is cocoa. What do you call? This one is cocoa, although it has no fruits now, but it's good for your diet. It's good. And we have here another the same fruit, and it's very nice now. It's yellowish. You can come and see the camera to look up, so that you can put the camera up like this. Yeah, it's a nice tree. Because I'm not tall. Oh my God! So I have to do like that for me to reach it. This is a nice fruit, very nice, and we plant over here in Kenya. It's purplish. When you eat, inside it's purplish. The taste is very nice, and it's already ready to eat. When you see up there, you can put the camera up like that. Inaonekana vizuri. I like it. It's so juicy. Very sweet. See, these are the greens. We do it like that when we want to make it. We have to very careful. You start with the lower leaf. Very nice. You can come and have another. This is the banana plantation. Those are the banana plantation. There are different types of banana plantation. I have plantain, and this is very nice banana plantation. Very nice. Although it's not ready, but I will show you the ones which are ready. This is the guava, although it's not there, but this is a guava plantation. It's not ready, guys. A guava plantation. This is a guava plantation. When it's ready, it's very nice too, but now this one is not ready. This is avocado tree. That's avocado tree. And I have to show you varieties. Avocado tree. You can come with me. This is another fruit. See up here. This is although it's not yet there, but this is another tree for a fruit. For a fruit. Guys, let me show you. This is the pumpkin plantation. This pumpkin plantation, we use it like vegetables. At the same time, we use it like when we have the ready we eat the pumpkins too, and we eat the leaves too here in Kenya. They are very nice. The smelling is so nice, sweet. You can use it as vegetables, and also you can use the thing for it for like a pumpkin to eat it. Ah, guys, I was showing you something different. Have a look at this banana. They're up there. That's a banana, and already the banana is there. We have the varieties. This is a different branch of banana, and I will show you another bananas. Guys, you can come and see. This is another fruit. I don't know the name of this fruit in English. I don't know. Maybe you can help me to identify it. I usually eat, but I don't know. This is another fruit. This fruit is so nice. When it's ready, when it's ripe, you can eat it. It's a very healthy fruit. Very nice. Sweet. And sometimes you can get the one which is salt, but this one is sweet. This is sweet. This is another fruit. You can come with me too. Come with me too. Guys, you can come with me too. This is another vegetables. I don't know what it's called in English. I know it in Kenya. It's called. This is another vegetables. Or also the seeds. You can. Is it my camera is clean? The seeds of it. The seeds that are yellow. They are yellowish. So this also you can use it as a fruit. It's so nice. You can use it like a fruit. Also, this one you can plant it. Use it as a fruit. Come with me here. I don't know whether my camera will zoom up. There is a variety. What do you call it? But I can find one. This is another tree for. It can zoom, I think so. You see that one, guys? Also, that one we use it to eat over here. That's another thing. Is that you can put the camera there? Yeah. You see those ones? We have it over here. I like it. I like it. I like it. And this is the passion fruit. This is the passion fruit. It's not ready over here, but there is a bunch of passion fruits over here. I like passion fruit so much. This one is not ready. I like this passion. All over here it's a passion fruit. I know. Is it seen in the camera?
Yes.
These are the passion fruits. And I have to show you the sample of that thing I was showing you up there. We cook it over here. Oh, this one is germinating down there. So this one is like a plant too. You can plant the way it is. You know, here it's just here, but it's growing. There's a bunch of things here growing down here. This is good too. We use it to eat over here. Let me put it down so that it can proceed to germinate. Yeah. Let me show you another fruit. Oh my God, I have put something else. This one over here is a pumpkin welcoming you to the garden. Oh my God, this is another pumpkin welcoming me to the garden. I feel good. Thank you so much for showing this variety. This is my brother's place, and I have my sister-in-law here. I like everything over here. And put these colors there down there. And I think these things are coming, the dogs. You see, I have found another one falling down here. Also, this one is germinating. These things I think you cannot put down the soil. It's just germinating its row, on its row. So I like the way it is. You see, this one, I'll eat this one today. You can see the ducks over there. The ducks are there. And let me have a look where the ducks. Let's see.
Chief is calling. The chief is calling.
Oh my God, somebody's calling.
Save you.